Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Hi guys, how have to be? Welcome back friends my channel. Hopefully you will be fine. Dear friend, most welcome my channel crochet hand styles ideas. And friends, I shared with you new and great crochet thinking designs. I shared with you new and great crochet thinking criteria. Let's come dear friend introduce new and great sharing ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other and have a very beautiful, unique, sustained quiet ideas. Hopefully you will be enjoy my these elegant stop ideas because it's are very beautiful, have a very fundamental design. Kindly friends subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you. In this video I shared with you new and great crochet thinking ideas, and these are very beautiful and are unique to each other. So friends, subscribe my channel, like my these ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. Kindly friends subscribe my channel, like my ideas. These are very beautiful and unique designs which I shared with you in this video. So friend, hopefully you will begin different type of crochet criteria to watching this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personalities which you know have that. I hope friends you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video, and friends you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. And these are very beautiful and unique fundamental designs which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully you will begin different ideas that are completely different to each other. Thank you so much friends to enjoy.